there some hopeful way of dealing with this? Sure. We need to take Obama and all of the people like Hillary Clinton and others who have served and been with him, and we need to boot them out of office. How do we do that, Alan? The election's not till 2016. He could destroy this country by that time. Well, we have an election in 2014. And the Constitution makes it very clear, if a majority of the House impeaches them, and if 2/3 of the Senate vote to kick them out, they will be gone. 1/3 of the Senate is up in 2014, and the whole House is up, and that means we have more than enough opportunity to get an impeachment and removal Congress if we will rally round that purpose in order to bring the terrible threat that is posed by this Obama faction and its policies to an end, and in order also to send a clear message to all of the elitist elements who think they can now overthrow our Constitution that the American people will not stand for it.